Let's start with a new topic, that is tests of divisibility. So this divisibility rule of different numbers we have already studied in previous classes. So let's just brush up those knowledge. First is divisibility by 10. If number ends with 0, then it will always be divisible by 10. That you know. Let's take an example. 630 and number 23. So here you can clearly see that this digit is having 0 at ones place. So it is clearly divisible by 10 according to the divisibility by 10 rule. But 23 is not having 0 at the ones place. So it is not divisible by 10. Second divisibility rule is by 5. If the number ends with 0 or 5, 0 or 5 means that whatever table in table 5, table 0 and 5 is coming, then it will always be divisible by 5. That you know. Let's check. Again I am taking the two numbers, that is 23 and 630. So 23, you can see that here 0 or 5 is not there in the ones place. So it will be clearly not divisible by 5. But in 630 at ones place we have 0 which is coming in 5's table. So it will be divisible by 5 as it ends with digit 0. Then divisibility by 2. If the number ends with an even number, if there is even number, then like 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then it will be always divisible by 2. Okay, let's check. The number is 23 and 630 are divisible by 2 or not, we have to check. So here again in 23, the ones place is having 3, which is an odd number. So it will be clearly not divisible by 2. But 630, 0 is coming. So as it ends with ones digit is 0, which is divisible by 2. So 630 number will be divisible by 2. Now divisibility rule by 9 and 3. If the sum of all the digits of the given number is divisible by 3, then that number will also be divisible by 3. Okay, for 3 and 9 we know that if we are adding all the numbers, any particular number is given to us. So if we add all the numbers and if we are getting the answer which is coming in the table of 3 or 9, that means it is divisible by 9 and 3. If the sum of all the digits of the given number is divisible by 9, then that number will also be divisible by 9. Same is the rule for 9 also. If that particular number, the sum of that number and the digit is coming in the table of 9 and 3, like 27, if we are taking, if we add 2 plus 7, we are getting 9. So we know that 9 comes in the table of 3 and 9 both. So therefore 27 will be divisible by 9 and 3 both. Other example I am taking of 54. So if we add 5 plus 4, so we are getting 9. So that means 54 is divisible by 3 as well as 9. So these are all the divisibility rules.